Buddy? What is it?
Fishy.
Fishy. Be careful. Okay. Come back here with that little fishy. Thank you. You're gonna put it in the tank with Daddy? What's his name? What's his name, Dilly?
What do you want to call him, Dill?
Oh my goodness, the poor fishy. Sorry about that, fishy. Wow, pretty fish.
Okay, should we put the fishy in? Yeah, you ready? Hang on, don't put your hand in. Here we go. You ready? Here we go.
Here he goes.
Ready? There we go. Oh, that's right. Here you go, fishy. Hey, there's 2 bags in there. What the hell?
To protect it from Dill.
Okay, hang on, Dill. There he is. Oh, poor fishy's going on a bit of a ride. Okay, here we go. You
Go,
ready?
Dilly.
Here we go. All right, fishy. Woo! There he goes. There he is. Let's put the lid on.
Hold on, Daddy.
Okay, you want to give him some food? There you go.
You gotta feed him.
Want to give him some food?
Here you go, Dilly.
You ready? Okay, let's open this. Okay, and then you gotta give him some food. Are you ready? Okay, want to sprinkle some in? Put some food in. Good job, buddy.
Where'd he go? Oh.
Okay, don't put your hands in though.
No! No!
Dilly, you can't put your hands in. There he is, look. Dear, what do you want to call him? What's his name? Lightning McQueen?
No.
No, you can't put that in.
No!
Say hi, fishy.
Here we go.